Assalamualaikum students, this is Sonia Rafiq from English with Fatima. So students, क्या आपके साथ भी कभी ऐसा हुआ that you want to describe someone's physical appearance? आप किसी की physical look को, body type, features, posture, उसकी hair, skin को English में बताना चाहते हैं but you don't know how to tell them in English and you always end up saying same things, boring words like he's so tall, she's short, she's pretty. बट डजंट इट साउंड अ बिट बोरिंग? क्या ये बोरिंग नहीं लगता है हर बार एक ही जैसे वर्ड्स रिपीट करना? Yes, it is. So, students, in today's video, I'll share some powerful expressions through which you can easily describe anyone in English. Yes. So, stay with me till the end because by the end of this video, you will be able to talk about how someone looks, their height, body type, skin, hair, features using phrases that stand out, right? So get your notebook ready and let's jump straight in. All right. So first of all, if you have to describe someone's height in English, अगर आपको किसी की हाइट को इंग्लिश में डिस्क्राइब करना है लाइक वो लंबा है, छोटा है या मीडियम हाइट का है, हाउ विल यू डू दिस? वेल, सो if you want to say that someone is tall, short, or of medium height, you are describing how high they are compared to most people. यानी वो उनकी हाइट यानी कितनी है दूसरे लोगों के मुकाबले में. So you can say he is tall and athletic, right? My brother is short but very strong. So usually जब हम किसी को describe करते हैं, especially their height, we end up saying he's tall, my brother is short but very strong. So you can use these phrases like my friend is of medium height. Like अगर उसकी medium height है, not too tall, not too short, then you can describe like this because this is a very basic starting point. You can even combine it with other details like she's tall and slender. He's short with a big smile, right? So remember, height is a neutral fact. You just say it simply like she's medium height, right? So इसको बहुत ज़्यादा complicate करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? इसको simply हम ऐसे ही कहेंगे. All right. So moving on to the next point, how will you describe about someone's body type? Right? Like how will you describe their shape and build of their body? ठीक है, उनकी बॉडी की शेप को किन वर्ड्स में यू कैन डिस्क्राइब? सो यू कैन यूज दीज वर्ड्स लाइक लीन, वेल बिल्ट, chubby. For example, he's quite lean and fit because he exercises daily, right? Or well built, actually lean means thin but strong, ठीक है? यानी पतला है कोई बट बहुत ज़्यादा फिट है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ही इज़ क्वाइट लीन एंड फिट बिकॉज ही एक्सरसाइजेस डेली. और यू कैन से वेल बिल्ट. Yeah, you can also use this word. Try to write down these words in your notebook. कोशिश करें डेली बेसिस पे जो भी आप इंग्लिश की वीडियो वॉच करते हैं उससे जो न्यू वोकैब आप लर्न करते हैं ना, ट्राई टू नोट डाउन इन योर डायरी, ठीक है, सो दैट यू डोंट फॉरगेट दैम. Well built, it means muscular, like strong build. He's well built after years of training, right? Chubby, yes, इसका मतलब होता है कि छोटा लेकिन राउंड शेप है उसकी, या प्लम्प है. प्लम्प मीन्स कि गोल मटोल सा, बड़ा बड़ा, ठीक है, यानी भरा भरा लगना. बेसिकली दिस इज यूज्ड इन पॉजिटिव एंड क्यूट सेंस, ठीक है, नॉट इंसल्टिंग और रूड वे. कि ये पॉजिटिव और क्यूट सेंस में स्पेशली फॉर बेबीज वी यूज दिस टर्म. सो द बेबी इज चबी एंड adorable, right? You can even say she's lean and moves very quickly. यानी वो पतली सी है और बड़ी तेजी से चलती है, right? He is well built and plays sport, like it means like muscular or strong build. My little nephew is chubby and cute. Like जो मेरा माई जो लिटल नेफ्यू है, जो छोटा भांजा है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा चबी है. उसका जिस्म गोल मटोल सा है, बड़ा बड़ा सा है, नरम नरम सा है, राइट? सो when you describe a body type, it's polite to choose words that sound kind and positive, especially if you're describing someone you like or admire. All right. Okay, now how will you describe someone's skin? For example, if someone is having glowing skin, you can say, okay, glowing means, healthy and bright skin. When you say someone has glowing skin, you mean their skin looks healthy, bright, and fresh. So you can say, she has naturally glowing skin, or after her holiday, her skin looked so fresh and glowing. Good sleep and water did wonders. Now I have glowing skin. राइट अच्छी नींद और पानी पीने से मेरी स्किन ग्लो करना शुरू हो गई सो एक्चुअली इट्स अ नाइस कॉम्प्लीमेंट स्पेशली व्हेन टॉकिंग अबाउट अपीयरेंस इन अ पॉजिटिव वे राइट now, how will you describe someone's eyes? So you can use this expression like you can say expressive eyes. Okay, so expressive eyes हम किसके लिए use करेंगे? Obviously, we can use this for everyone. So eyes that show emotions. Eyes can tell you a lot. So if someone has expressive eyes, their eyes show feelings, joy, surprise, kindness. You know, मतलब आप उनको देख के उनकी आइज की तरफ देख के उनके बारे में बता सकते हैं सो एक्चुअली दैट गाय इज हैविंग एक्सप्रेसिव आइज राइट सो यू कैन से हर एक्सप्रेसिव आइज say more than her words or when he laughed his expressive eyes lit up यानी चमक उठी I noticed her expressive eyes they made me feel welcome ऑल राइट सो आंखों की चमक से ही अंदाज़ा हो जाता है कि वो क्या सोच रहा है या क्या कहना चाह रहा है सो स्टूडेंट्स दिस फ्रेज helps you describe not just physical appearance but also emotion and connection. All right, moving on to the next one. Now, how will you describe someone's hair? किसी के हेयर टेक्सचर को किस तरह से आप डिस्क्राइब करेंगे हेयर इज अ फन थिंग टू डिस्क्राइब बिकॉज टेक्सचर एंड लुक मैटर अ लॉट इन अपीयरेंस या सो शी हैज लॉन्ग वेवी हेयर दैट मूव्स इन द ब्रीज इसी तरह अगर किसी के नर्म नर्म से जस्ट लाइक सिल्क बहुत नरम सॉफ्ट से हेयर हैं तो यू कैन से सिल्की हेयर शी हैज लॉन्ग सिल्की हेयर अगर शॉर्ट है शी हैज शॉर्ट सिल्की हेयर कर्ली हेयर्स हेयर विथ कर्ल्स जिनके बालों में कर्ल्स होते हैं उनके लिए यू कैन यूज दिस टर्म ही हैज कर्ली हेयर दैट बाउंसेस व्हेन ही वॉक्स ऑल राइट सो you can say my sister's hair is silky and shines in the sunlight. My friend's curly hair is very distinctive. I love people with wavy hair. It gives them a relaxed look. All right. So you can describe hair plus other features like she has long silky hair and expressive eyes. So इन सबको आप combine भी कर सकते हैं to make your expression more powerful, right? Now, if you want to describe someone's personality like a person who is having a very neat appearance, एक person जो बहुत ही sophisticated है, like hard time, neat and clean, always, fully well groomed, clean, organized, then how will you describe that person? Well, you can say neat appearance means tidy and clean look. When someone has a neat appearance, they look organized, well groomed, clean, like everything is in place. So you can say, he always maintains a neat appearance. Or, even after a busy day, she still has a neat appearance. He shows up with a neat appearance like smart shirt, well kept hair. This is nice to mention when you talk about someone being visually polished or professional. All right. Now here is another expression that is graceful. Means, when someone is graceful, their movements are smooth, elegant, confident, then you can say she is a graceful lady. She walks gracefully and confidently. On stage, she was graceful and calm. Like बहुत ज़्यादा confident and elegant, right? In fact, elegant, you can also use this word. Even in everyday life, she has a graceful way of doing things. All right. Now, how will you describe about features? So, if someone has noticeable features, like उसके ऐसे features हैं कि हर बंदा उसको गौर से देखता है एक बार, लाइक देखने पे मजबूर हो जाता है, लाइक समवन हैज स्ट्राइकिंग फीचर्स, मीन्स देयर फेस इज मेमोरेबल, समथिंग अबाउट देयर आईज, चिक बोन, स्माइल, ओवरऑल लुक स्टैंड्स आउट। देखिए, पर्सनालिटी में समटाइम्स किसी की एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है, ऐसे फीचर्स होते हैं कि यू कैंट फॉरगेट दैम। ऑल राइट, सो देन इट्स कॉल्ड स्ट्राइकिंग फीचर्स। यू नो, जब किसी के स्ट्राइकिंग फीचर्स हों, then it means that he has noticeable face. Her striking features make her stand out in a crowd. Like उसके features ऐसे हैं, ऐसे striking features हैं उसके कि वो crowd में नुमाया नजर आती है, right? He has striking features, strong jawline, deep eyes. Her striking features let you remember her after you meet once. So this is more vivid, expressive way to describe appearance than simply saying handsome or beautiful. All right. You can also use confident posture. Means, if someone has a body language that shows confidence. So the way someone stands, sits, carries themselves matters a lot in how they appear. राइट, सो अगर बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट बंदा है, उसका बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट पोस्चर है, सो then you can say she has a confident posture. Yes, he always stands with a confident posture. So a confident posture shows they feel good about themselves, right? So she walked in with a confident posture and people noticed. A confident posture makes a big difference in how others see you. All right. So when you talk about appearance, remember how someone holds themselves is just as important as how they look. So this is how you can express someone's personality. आप इस तरह से किसी को इंग्लिश में डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. Try to use these expressions in your daily routine. अपनी डेली रूटीन में इन वर्ड्स को, इन एक्सप्रेशंस को ऐड करें so that you could sound more fluent, more natural and express your words clearly and effectively. In fact, convey your meaning clearly and effectively. So now it's your turn. You have to tell in the comments below one person, maybe yourself, it can be your friend or any family member. ठीक है, ये कोई भी हो सकता है. Try to describe their physical appearance using at least two of the phrases we learned today. आज जो हमने phrases learn की उनमें से कोई सी भी दो phrases को, like you can imagine that person, उसको imagine करें जिसके बारे में आपको describe करना है, फिर उसके features, उसकी body type को 2 lines में write करके you have to share it in the comment section, right? For example, you can say my sister is tall and has glowing skin. Yeah, my teacher has a neat appearance and expressive eyes. I'll definitely respond personally and check your task. So that's all about today. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and yes, do subscribe to our channel for more updated videos. Thank you.